Let's see how to insert headphone symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you want to insert a headphone symbol in our document. Now, first, we have to click on the Insert tab. Now, click on Symbol. And from here, click on More Symbols to access the entire list of symbols that you can use. And make sure that you have the font set to Seago UI symbol and you have the subset extended characters plain one. And from here, simply look for the headphone symbol. It should be somewhere in this list. And as you can see, the headphone symbol is this one right here. And you can also see the name headphone. Now to insert that into our document, simply click on Insert. And as you can see, we now have a headphone symbol in our document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.